prevent scratches, please take out carton staples prior to removing product. Remove bathtub and all surround panels to verify they are the correct color and proper drain location. It is critical to verify stud placement is correct. The orientation of the two front studs on each side of the alcove is critical for shower door installation. Before installing your new bathtub and surround, make sure the alcove is clean and free of any debris. Subfloor and studs must be plumb. This makes installation easier. For a quieter bathing experience, you can put insulation between the studs before installing the bathtub and wall surround. Trial fit bathtub and alcove. Make sure bathtub is level side to side and front to back. Shim between studs and subfloor is needed. Carefully roll bathtub out of alcove. This makes it easier to do the final install. Install drain and overflow. Apply construction adhesive to all feet on the bottom of the bathtub. Floor leveling compound is optional and can be used instead if desired. If shims are needed, make sure shims are secured to the subfloor with nails and adhesive. Also, make sure adhesive on the feet will attach to the shims. Carefully tip bathtub to alcove without sliding it. Check again to ensure bathtub is level. Peel protective film away from nail flange. Stand in bathtub to apply pressure. Then screw the nail flange to all the studs. Peel protective film from sides, top, and bottom of back panel. Position panel on sawhorses or table. Separate seal strip by hand, do not cut. Remove a small section of protective backing to expose adhesive. Apply seal strip, starting at the top of the surround. Cut any excess off the bottom. Repeat for other side. Peel protective film from sides, top, and bottom of side panels. Place back panel on top of bathtub against the back studs. Be careful not to slide or drop the panel. Pull the bottom of the wall away from the studs so it leans and doesn't fall over when you let go. Trial fit side panels. The back panel may need to shift left or right for the side panels to fit properly. Use shims as needed. Make sure the side panels are flush with the front of the bathtub. Mark top of all panels on each stud. This will help apply the adhesive in the right areas. Carefully measure and mark control holes on the appropriate panel. To prevent chipping when drilling, apply masking tape over entire surface to be drilled. Using a hole saw, drill the control holes. Remove all panels and apply construction adhesive to all studs below the marked lines. Place back panel into alcove. Pull the bottom of the wall away from the studs a few inches so it leans and doesn't fall. Install side panels. Shift back wall is needed for side panels to align. Apply pressure to the front of the control panel so it presses against the back panel. Screw 4 screws in the side panel flange. Repeat with opposite panel. Then screw back panel nail flange to the studs. Apply pressure to each stud to ensure glue contacts stud and panel adheres. Cross bracing is optional to help panels bond to the studs. Bathtub and wall installer complete.